World War III is upon us, and I'm not talking politics, I'm talking about the Harbor Freight mini toolbox. You got two camps, one that absolutely loves the little buggers, and another that completely despises them. Monday the 25th was the beginning of the early Black Friday sale, and if you haven't heard, the managers were told to pull any existing stock off the floors unless the store had 70 units or more. This happened pretty much right after they were released, which is why they quickly became impossible to get. Well, the drama unfolded today with one report of uniformed employees purchasing toolboxes first thing this morning as customers that arrived early made their way into the store. In addition, stores with them in stock were limiting purchases to only 2 boxes per customer, but even with the restrictions, a lot of people have still been coming up short-handed.
Aww.
Word on the streets is that only a limited amount were allowed to be put out on the 25th, with the remainder to be saved for the actual Black Friday sale. Whether or not more boxes will be delivered to each store before Friday is currently unknown, but they're already popping up for sale on eBay and Marketplace. Any info that I'm mentioning comes from the Harbor Freight Tool Junkies Facebook group, not to be mistaken with the Harbor Freight Junkies group. That group sucks.
It's funny because it's true.
Take the info I'm giving you with a grain of salt, but let me know down in the comments what's going on in your area. Do you guys see them in stock or are they sold out? Do people care enough to get there early? Which side of the war are you on? Keep grinding away on those projects, stay lucid, and I'll see you in the next one.